Hey, how's everybody doing today? I just finished the show a little bit ago. Awesome, good time. But I want to talk about my show April 17th. I want to thank everybody that was involved in that. YCIA, the Lighthouse Youth Group, carrying in my stuff, making sure I have everything I need. YCIA doing the popcorn and stuff in the basement. I want to thank my wife Heather. She put her heart and soul into this. I want to thank Natasha and Alicia behind the scenes helping out. Howie, man, I can't say enough good things about you. You did an amazing job. There's so many people involved in this, and I'm truly blessed to have that many people care to help these kids. I want to thank you, the audience, you, the crowd that showed up. We had people from 3 different states. We had people up by Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We had people from Wheeling, West Virginia. And we had people up by Akron, Ohio. It was amazing to see them people there. I don't know the exact number. I'm guessing we had 75 to 100 people show up. Amazing time, you know. And to the people that couldn't make it, the ones that texted me and said that there was a volleyball game going on, a track meet, baseball games. I'm sorry you couldn't make it. Maybe you can make it to my next one. That'd be awesome. I wanted to let you guys know that the Lighthouse Youth Group and YCIA ordered the basketball rim for town, so they should be getting it shortly, and they'll be presenting it at the city council meeting at the first of the month, I think, or somewhere in that area. So look forward to that. It's going to be a good time. Basically, what I wanted to do is get on here and say thank you. My buddy Greg, if you see this, man, it was awesome seeing you. We should get together for a burger sometime. Tyson, these are my people that came that was my friends. Tyson, Corey, Matt. These people brought families, you know. So Jose, Juanita, Aaron. You guys are all awesome. Thank you for showing up. These are people I work with that drove an hour away to help these kids, you know. And it's an awesome thing. Thank you for helping kids, guys. That's all I can say. Thank you for helping kids. That's about all I got for today. I just want to say thank you and God bless.